Okay, in this video we're going to look at the idea of a function and different types of mappings. So the function maps an element from one set to one and only one element of another set. So the emphasis here is on one and only one element. So let's have a look what we mean by some different types of mappings. And then we can decide whether the mapping is actually a function or not using this definition. So we've got one-to-one. So mapping from a set of men to a set of women at a dinner. So we've got Nathan, James, Cesar, Saknarin, Arjun. And the women we've got Zara, Sarah, Angelina, Kanika and Ria. So Nathan maps onto Zara, James maps onto Sarah, Cesar maps onto Angelina, Saknarin onto Kanika, and Arjun onto Ria. Okay, so as one element of this set is mapped onto one element of this set, this is called a one-to-one mapping. Now, the numbers that we start with, the men, is called the domain, and the numbers that the men that we start with is called the domain, and the woman that they're paired to is called the range. So input and output, you can think of it like that. So this is a function because each element of this set is mapped onto one and only one element of this set. So this is a function. Right, a many-to-one. A mapping from a set of pupils at a secondary school to their ages. So here we have Alex, Jason, Mia, Emily, Sophie and Alice. And here we have a set of ages at 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So here we have Alex is mapped onto 17. Jason is mapped onto 14. Mia is mapped onto 12. So far this is just a one-to-one. Now Emily's onto 16, still one-to-one. But now Sophie is mapped onto 12 as well. So this is now many to one. Doesn't matter about these. The fact that we've got this is now called many. Two things here going on to one. And we've got Alice going on to 17 as well. Right. The domain is going to be this set of pupils here, but we have to be careful here with the range. So note, the domain is going to be Alex, Jason, Mia, Emily, Sophie and Alice, but the range is only going to be 12, 14, 16 and 17. 13 and 15 are not in the range. This, sometimes all of these called, including 13 and 15, is called a codomain. So this is a function because each element here is mapped onto one and only one element of the second set. Alex only goes onto that, Alice only goes onto that, Sophie only goes on to 12, and Mia only goes on to 12. So this does fulfill the definition of a function. Now, what we're going to consider now is a one-to-many. So we're going to do a mapping from a set of fathers to the set of the children at a school. So we've got Mark, Michael, Paul and Richard. Then we've got the children Nathan, Zara, James, Daniel, Luke, Ryan and Sarah. So Mark maps onto Nathan and Zara. Michael maps onto James and Daniel. Paul maps onto Luke and Ryan, and Richard maps onto Sarah. So here we got one thing going to many things, one thing going to many things, one going to many things. Here we just got one-to-one, but because these three here map onto more than one thing, this is not a function. So this is the domain, and this will be the range. This is not a function because it does not fulfill the definition of a function. Okay, so this is just called a one-to-many mapping. Right, now we're going to consider a many-to-many. So we're going to mapping from the set of girls to the set of pets they own. So we've got Olivia, Daisy, Grace, Ava and Evie. And we've got cat, dog, hamster and fish. So Daisy maps onto cat and dog. Okay, Ava maps onto a cat. So now we've got many. So we've got two things mapping onto Ava going to a fish and Evie going to a fish. So then we've got many mapping onto to many things here. So many here, these two go onto here. These could go onto here. Okay, so a pet can be owned by more than one child. Okay, so the children, and this is the range. So I've not actually listed this as being the domain, because the domain this time would be Olivia, Daisy, Ava and Evie. Grace is not included because it doesn't map onto anything, and the range is a cat, dog, hamster and a fish. Okay, so this is not a function because we've got Ava here mapping onto 3 things, Daisy mapping onto 2 things. Okay, and I hope you have understood. And I thank you very much for watching.